plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today, I am working on a viewer requested Pokemon. Steelix was requested by Declan. Declan, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like this one. So I had previously made an Onix, and that helped me learn how to make a Pokemon like this. So I counted how many boulders he had, used my hole punches to make each piece, and then I glue him down one by one. So since I'm not putting the whole Pokemon down on the page at the same time, I have to get my background done first so that I can start gluing his body on it afterwards. So I am sticking with some fall colors here because it is still November, at least for a few more days. Well, wait, when will I post this? Maybe for like the next 2 days. Yeah, so I'm working with two different types of metallic shiny papers. I thought that these would be perfect for a Pokemon like Steelix. So some of his boulders have only one type of the paper, but when I get up to the top of the body where it's a little bit lighter, I use both papers so that he looks a little bit more reflective and bright. For November, I asked everyone what rock types they would like to see, and I got quite a few done. I'm pretty happy with that. I will be focusing on ice types and more like festive Pokemon for December, so let me know in the comments what Pokemon you might like to see with some holiday paper or in a snowy background and all that good stuff. So yeah. I didn't have the right hole punch to do these larger rocks, so I used this like scalloped flower shape. It's alright, I just need it as a guide so that I know kind of how to make my shape. I have already started some of my December Pokemon. I made a Swinub recently, and I made him look like he's on an ugly sweater. It's super cute. I am really excited to show you guys. And the only other ice type I have a request for is Articuno. So if you guys can think of anything else, please let me know down in the comments. I was so happy I made Onix before I did Steelix because it made making Steelix a much faster process because I knew what I was doing. Onix must have taken me an hour and a half maybe, and Steelix took me maybe 45 minutes because I had an idea of how to do it, so. And the hardest part for these types of Pokemon is always the face, the head. And so I am trying to sketch that out now. I was happy with the end result though, it did turn out, but it's definitely the most challenging part of making one of these snaky rock type Pokemon. I wanted the top side of the head to have this shinier paper because that's where the light is hitting him. And then after that, I could start thinking about the mouth, the teeth, and the eye. Even the eye I wanted to be a little shiny, so I have this black paper with sparkles. And there are a lot of layers for the eye. I think if I held the paper up horizontally or like, yeah, you would see you would see just how raised the eye is off the page. So now I'm working on gluing and putting marker details on Steelix. The hard thing about the marker for this is that the papers were a bit more plasticky, so the marker could smudge. I had to be super careful not to smudge it. I did not put this right away in my binder. I let it sit out to dry for at least like 2 hours so that he wouldn't smudge. And you'll see sometimes I'm using an Elmer's glue stick, sometimes I am using adhesive stickers to place Steelix down. I think I'm running out of adhesive stickers. I should probably order some soon. And finally, I am doing the details for the face, the nostrils, the teeth, and all of the ridges. I absolutely love this one. I think it turned out so cool. But yeah, that just about wraps up this Steelix. Just have to finish gluing him down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And Declan, thank you again for requesting this Pokemon. I hope that you enjoyed. And I will see everybody again soon. Bye!